Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into Bootloader. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button, and from there we're gonna select power off. Now once the phone turns off, you wanna hold power key and volume up at the same time. You will see from here the bootloader. So in this mode you need to use volume up only to navigate through the three options that we have access to, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected with this arrow. So just going over the options that we have access to, we have recovery mode as the first option, then right below we have fast boot mode, and the last option, which is selected right now, is normal boot, which takes us back to Android. So that's what I'm going to select right now by pressing volume down. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.